Dear students, now we will discuss about the shift and rotate instructions in assembly language. Here in the shift operation, the shift instruction, the shift operations, there are two categories of instructions. One is logical shift, another one is arithmetic shift instructions. In the logical shift, there is logical shift left as well as logical shift right. Similarly, in the arithmetic shift, again there are two categories, arithmetic shift right and arithmetic shift left, similar to that. But here the difference in the logical shift and arithmetic shift is, I think you see the difference here. In the case of logical shift, you are pumping zeros, okay, to fill with vacant bits here, to fill with vacant bits. Whereas in arithmetic operations, okay, here you see here in the shift right, zeros are pumped in the for vacant bits position. Here the MSB is to be filled with the vacant bit positions. The most significant bits are filled with vacant bit positions. Okay, here this is zeros. That is the difference between the logical shift and arithmetic shift. And one more difference is logical shift operations are used, okay, to segregate the part of the byte content or to part of the word content. Word content means 16 bits. If you want to take a part of 16-bit data, or if you want to take a part of 8-bit data, we are going to use logical shift operations. For division and multiplication purpose, we are going to use arithmetic shift operation. Arithmetic shift right will leads to division. Arithmetic shift left will leads to multiplication. Okay, that is the purpose of this. Okay, simply here by understanding the first one, okay, it is simply a moving of bits from one position to left or maybe right based on the instruction. If we shift left, we are moving the bits by left one bit. If we shift right, okay, we are moving the bits to the right by one bit. Nothing else. That is the shift operations. Then is there, I think, by taking an example, what do you mean by arithmetic shift? By taking an example of how it will be act as a, how it will be used for dividing, how it will be used for multiplication purpose, this arithmetic shift operation. Then the next one is rotate operations. In the rotate operations, there are four: rotate left without carry, rotate left with carry, similarly rotate right without carry, rotate right with carry. Okay. Once you understand rotate left with carry and rotate left without carry, okay, first without carry, then with carry, then the similar thing will be applied for rotate right operation also. In the case of rotate left operation, here again it is similar to logical shift left. Here in the logical shift left, okay, in the logical shift left, the rightmost bits which are vacant because of shifting, that is to fill with zeros. But here in this case, it is not filled with zeros, it is filled with the whatever the bit come out from R0, that is to be filled with the vacant bits. That is the difference between logical shift and this. Then when you come to, this is without carry. With carry means it will be like a rotation. With carry means it will be like a rotation. Okay, rotation, it is like circular. Okay, so from R0 it goes to C, from C again it goes to the this one. So wherever you find the vacant bits, okay, that has to fill with the content of C here again. Content of C means carry flag. Here C is carry flag. Okay? That is this one. It is the instruction difference is, if there is a C, it means that is with carry. Okay, if there is no C, means it is without carry. Similarly, the instructions are rotate L hash 2 comma R0. This is an immediate instruction. Okay, this is rotate left by 2 bits on the operand or not. Similarly, this is rotate left. C means carry. Rotate left with carry. Okay, with 2 bits. Okay, shift rotate by 2 bits on the contents of or not. This one is rotate right 2 bits by on content of or not. This is rotate right with carry by 2 bits on the contents of or not. All these are the immediate addressing instructions.